after the short break, right? Now, wish you a happy new year, all of you. Okay, now we start our new session with some important tips. How why study is very important. I share one slok with you. Okay, न चोरहार्यम न चराजहार्यम न भातृभाज्यम न च भोजकारी. दैट मीन्स जो विद्या रूपी धन है, जिसको ना चोरी कर सकता है, ना कोई भाई उसके अंदर शेयरिंग कर सकता है, हिस्सा मांग सकता है. अगर कोई राजा अपना राजपाट हार जाता है तो वो सोचता है कि मैं क्या करूँगा, है ना. कोई इसको चुरा भी नहीं सकता, उसके अंदर हिस्सेदार भी नहीं बन सकता, वो सिर्फ अपने अंदर ही रहता है. इसीलिए जहाँ ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड जहाँ भी जाओगे, आपकी जो आइडेंटिटी है, आपका जो नॉलेज है, वो आपके साथ रहने वाला है. चाहे आपका राजपाट या पैसा सब घूम जाए, लेकिन आपके पास जो डिग्री है, जो विद्या है, वो ऑलवेज आपके साथ रहने वाली है. तो इसीलिए हमारा जो स्टडी है वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. एंड यू हैव टू ऑल द फोकस ऑन योर स्टडी. ओके, नाउ इट इज द कोरोना वायरस, वी कांट मीट इन द स्कूल, बट यू हैव टू कंसंट्रेट ऑन द स्टडी. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ वी डू द 5 times ओम एंड सरस्वते नमः. ओम एंड सरस्वते नमः. ओम एंड सरस्वते नमः. ओम एंड सरस्वते नमः. Okay student? Okay, now we start our new chapter number 13, a river's journey. River is, we identify, we believe that river is our lok mata, our mother. River is the mother. We give the title of the mother to river. But nowadays, so many pollution arise day by day in the water, in the river. So water almost it is the polluted. Why this type of to happen? We don't know. It is our problem. We have to do so many mischievous things in the river. So our river is the polluted. Now in some 6 months before, 6 or 1 year before, the Zhumbes is going on of the clean of the river Yamuna. You see in the paper also so many big headings. It comes to clean the Yamuna river. Why? Yamuna river is the goddess of the Vaishnav and it is related with the Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna, when the born was there of the Lord Krishna, and the Yamuna river is flowing fast, and the God Krishna has given both the toes of the leg, and the Yamuna river has get the way to go. Right? So it is very holy river Yamuna, and nowadays when you go to the Mathura and see the position of the Yamuna, your heart is very sad because so many pollution is there. We have to pray the Yamuna river. We have to the bath in the Yamuna river. It is the written in the holy book also. It is very important when you go to the after Diwali in the Bhai-Dooj day. You bath in the Yamuna river, then the Yamraj never came to take you. It is the belief. अगर आप भाई बीज के दिन यमुना रिवर के अंदर भाई के साथ बहन अगर स्नान करती है तो यमराज का ऐसा प्रॉमिस है कि वो आपको लेने कभी नहीं आएगा. बराबर है. तो ये इतना बिलीव हम ऐसा रखते हैं, हमारे पुराणों के अंदर लिखा गया है. फिर भी अगर हम यमुना रिवर का जो पानी देखें तो हमको बिल्कुल सैडनेस फीलिंग होगी. इतना डस्ट, इतना उसके अंदर पॉल्यूशन, आसपास के जो एरिया है उसके अंदर का जो वेस्ट वाटर है वो भी उसके अंदर रिलीज किया जाता है. तो ये बहुत ही हमारे लिए परेशानी वाली बात है. और आज हम ये लेसन में देखेंगे कि पॉल्यूटेड रिवर जो होती है उससे हमको प्रॉब्लम्स अराइज होती है, राइट. सो वी स्टार्ट विद द लेसन रिवर्स जर्नी. यू सी द रिवर्स फ्लो फ्रॉम द हिल, right. Here is the picture given. Some hills are there and one river flowing from the hills. Okay. Now look at here, children. You have observed my picture. You have observed. Now look at here. It is the very clean picture and it is the very clean water. Now look at so many aquatic animals are lived in the water because some like fish cannot live without water. So many aquatic animals, snake also, water snake also, so many small insect also sometimes live in the water, frog, crocodile, right. So many animals live in the water. So look at here. Here is the very clean water, and when you see the clean water, nothing is there. When the river flows from the mountain, it is nothing there. No, not a single house near the mountain or river. So it is very clean river, and some aquatic animals also live properly here without any hesitation, without any harm to the aquatic animal. यहाँ देख सकते हो कि रिवर जहाँ फ्लो होती है वहाँ बिल्कुल ही वाटर क्लीन है, बिल्कुल प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. वहाँ सारे देखो फिशेस इतनी सारी है, तो वो आराम से पानी के अंदर रह सकती है. ओके. नाउ लुक एट हियर इज द मिडल एरिया. Here is the middle area. Here is the first area. Then after here is the second area. Right? Now look at here. Only 2 or 3 species are there here, and some pollution is going on here. Some factories, some villages also. People also bath in the water. Cattle bath in the water. Sometimes the cattle can't understand anything, so they extract the anything. Urine also pass. So little bit here is the river is get polluted, right. Then after, so when the water is polluted, little bit it is polluted. So some only 2 or 3 fishes are there because they can't survive in the polluted water. Right? Here is the clean water. So many fishes are there. You can see in the picture. So many fishes are there. When the water flowing away and away, the pollution take place, and when the village and cities are passes, the water is so much pollution is there. So here is the some villages. So water is little bit polluted. So the quantity of the aquatic animal also reduce, right. So some fishes are there, some aquatic animals are there. Also birds also come near the water because birds also drink water, and when the clean water is there, we see the so many birds. But when the polluted water is going on, the birds cannot drink the water because they have to die, right. So we have very serious problem about the nowadays how to clean the water of the river. So now look at here. Trees also growing near the clean water, right. Now here look at the picture. So many factories are there. I have drawn in the factory, so many factories, and the waste of the factories release in the water. So here water is the polluted, totally polluted. Pollution take place in the river, and here pollution is very high. So you have to see the die fish. Here the fish are the die because of the pollution of the water, right. We cannot drink polluted water because we have so many diseases arise due to the drink the polluted water. So it is the question arising how to clean the water, how to get the polluted water clean, because our nowadays the river are very all the river have to pollute because river has the some river bank and they flow around the only the river bank, right. So it cannot reach another place. The store of the water in the river only. So if the flowing water is there, then also some pollution is less. But the store water we cannot clean at all. So it is our human being responsibility to do not throw the garbage in the water. Right? Now look at children, here is the picture. I have drawn in the board also, but look at here chapter and some pictures is given. Here wheels. So when the river flow, it is the very clean. So many fishes are there. Aquatic animals are there. Now here look at here some villages pass through the river. So animals also less in quantity, and when it comes into city. Now look at children, the picture of the river is changed. Totally changed, and no one is the species flows in the river. Some species also died in the condition, right? So it is our big problem. Now in your house, where the water come? You have to come water under the ground, right? Under the ground. Sometimes in the village we drink water from the river also, right? So it is, if we drink the polluted water, then we suffer from the disease like vomiting, diarrhea sometimes, right? So it is harm to drink the polluted water. Now it is our duty to how to clean the water. How to clean the water? So many methods to clean the water, and in our village and city also we have the purifying plants also. When in cities the water comes through the tap, and firstly the water will be through the boring, fill in the big tank, and then after using the water purifying, and then supply to the city and the village. Now look at children, here are the position of the river bank. Now look at here, how many pollution are there in the water. So many pollution, some were throwing the garbage and nothing to do. No one has to care about the pollution, right? Here, now we do some experiment how to the water pollute, and what is the method to clean the water. In our house we feed the RO purifier, right? So purifier we clean the water, but in the village when the water RO filter is not there, how do we purify the water? Then we have to do so many methods. First one is the boiling method. Boiling method, we have to do the boil the water. If the boil, we have to do the water, then all the harmness or all the polluteness of the water will be cleared, and the bacteria of the water will be cleaned. Okay students? Okay. Now look at the second one. We have to do the filtering method. When the water comes from the tap, we put the filter also. It is the second method. And then after, third method is the sedimentation and the decantation water. Water we have to fill in the store in the some vessels, and then after we have to stay for the sometimes, and then after we have to decant the water. Okay. Now so many methods we have to do the purify method. Sometimes we have to spread the alum also. Alum we have to spread, then the water will be clean, and it is for the drinkable water. So many things we have to do at home without any cost, right? If we drink the polluted water, we have to suffer from disease. It is better we have to filter the water. Now I do some activities to show how the water is the pollute. Now I have the one glass, right? You see everyone, this is the glass, and I pour some things in the water. It is the, I have to pour salt. Now look at children, Again I pour the salt. Now look at. Have you seen any effect? No, it is the completely dissolve in the water. So some garbage or some things, if we have to put in the water, it cannot be changed, nothing to change. But in the second time, I throw the some turmeric. Now look at here, children. I put the some turmeric here. Now look at here. This is the color will be changed. Have you seen? Yes, this is the color will be changed, and like that we have to pollute the water. Okay, we have to pollute the water like that. But it is the sometime it is the drinkable, and if we have to clean that water, we pour the boiling, or we boiling sometimes, we have to steady for sometimes. Okay, now look at here. I take the 1 glass and pour the ash of the plant. Now look at here, children. I have to put ash of the plant. Now look at. Can you think it is possible to drink? आप देख सकते हो, तो क्या आपको ऐसा पानी पीने के लिए दिया जाए तो आप पियोगे? नो, नो, बिल्कुल नहीं, because it is the very harm to our body. So many diseases arise from the water. आपको पता है कि जब बेबी बॉर्न होता है तो सबसे पहले जो डॉक्टर होता है जो मदर को गाइडलाइन देता है कि up to 6 months you cannot drink a drop of the water to child if you want to save without disease. ऐसा बोला जाता है कि 6 महीने तक आपको आपके बेबी को एक ड्रॉप भी पानी पिलाना नहीं है. If it is in summer season, then you use only distilled water. It is available in the medical store. अगर बच्चे को 6 महीने तक पानी की एक बूंद ना दिया जाए न्यूबॉर्न बेबी को, तो वो हेल्दी रहता है. क्यों? क्योंकि जो सारे डिसीज स्प्रेड होते हैं बॉडी के अंदर वो मोस्टली थ्रू द वाटर होते हैं. और थ्रू द वाटर क्यों होते हैं? वैसे हिल में से जो वाटर निकलती है वो तो बहुत क्लीन है, लेकिन उसको पॉल्यूट करने वाले कौन है? हम खुद. और हम ही उसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, और हमको ही वो फील करना पड़ता है. हमारी बॉडी के अंदर ही हम वो फील करते हैं और हमको ही डिसीज होता है. इसीलिए फ्रेंड्स, children, I request you, if you cannot clean the water but you can't pollute the water, right? अगर आप क्लीन नहीं कर सको तो उसको पॉल्यूट तो बिल्कुल भी करना नहीं है. क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? और पानी जो है हमारी बेसिक नेसेसिटी है, और बेसिक नेसेसिटी पानी के बिना हम एक आधा घंटा भी नहीं रह सकते, तो हमारी लाइफ पानी के बिना पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. So it is our duty to clean the water and save our life. Thank you.